So Greg and his ingenuity, you can see guys, it snapped it right in two, but he put an L. What kind of bracket is that called, hon? This is
angle, perforated angle, I think.
Perforated angle. He says he thinks it's maybe more sturdier than it was.
I'll put some duct tape on it.
He's gonna wrap it in duct tape too. He loves his duct tape. But look, it's standing. Did you see that? He got it fixed. Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. Getting ready to go to church this morning. And we are up and running again for our seed starts. This is at the end of the street, guys. And that is twisted. This old boy has his tree down. Now, I don't know if you heard the end of that where I was showing you that big tree that looked like it was twisted, but we have a community member right down the road from us, and he yelled out, "I love your YouTube channel," and me and Greg just laughed, and I thanked him so much. But yeah, he's just right down the road. But you can see they had some damage on that tree, and as of late last night, electricity was still off north of us, so there's still some people trying to get things hooked back up. Today is the turnaround, the big turnaround for the weather. We expect to get maybe in the low 90s, and then after this, guys, we are going to be in the mid 80s, and at night we're going to be in the 60s. That is going to be such a blessing, and we are looking forward to that. And so that means we're going to have a very busy week this week, so be sure and hit that subscribe so you know, and hit that little bell, guys, when you know, so you'll know when I post another video on what's going on. But yeah, so it's about 79 degrees in this little high tunnel. How nice is that? So Friday it got up to almost 140 in here. But got a lot of work to do this week. Wanted to show y'all the update and show you some of the damage that we saw going on yesterday. Thankfully, everybody is okay. I'm seeing some comments from my video, guys, on yesterday. I know some of you lost your greenhouses, and some of you had sustained some damage and said there were trees down all over the place. The storm seemed to have been sporadic. I think they moved over my daughter's house. My son-in-law had to get up in the middle of the night and go strap down their trampoline. So they blew up, they came in, and they moved out. But now this week we have a chance of rain almost every day, and we're excited about that to try to get some of this drought under control and just try to give us some clean air to breathe, because we've not had that in a long time. Our air has been really, really bad. So anyway, love you guys. Wanted to touch base with you. Love you all, and we will see you tomorrow. Take care. God bless. Have a great and restful Sunday.